Have you ever wondered what our world will look like in 50 years or 100? Climate change isn't just a headline. It's a relentless force reshaping our coastlines, and millions of people could be displaced by the end of this century. It's a daunting picture, right? The very ground beneath our feet is disappearing. What if, instead of abandoning the oceans, we learn to live with them, or even on them? This isn't a scene from a Hollywood blockbuster. This is the groundbreaking reality of floating cities. But today, brilliant architects, engineers, and scientists are turning that fantasy into a blueprint for survival. We're talking about entire communities, buoyant and resilient, designed to rise and fall with the tides. Imagine a city that isn't threatened by a storm surge, but simply rides it out. A city that doesn't fight the ocean, but dances with it. So, how does it work? The core concept revolves around massive, interconnected floating platforms. These aren't just simple pontoons. They're highly engineered structures, often hexagonal in shape, designed for maximum stability and efficiency. Think of them like giant Lego bricks that can be linked together to form neighborhoods, districts, and eventually entire cities. These platforms are anchored to the seabed, but with a system that allows them to move vertically. This ensures they stay in place but remain unaffected by rising water levels. The structures themselves are being designed with ultra-strong yet lightweight and corrosion-resistant materials, built to withstand the harsh marine environment for centuries. We're talking advanced concrete composites, recycled plastics, and even biomaterials that can coexist with marine life. But a floating city is so much more than just the platforms it sits on. It's a complete, self-sustaining ecosystem. The goal here is zero waste and total energy independence. How do you power a city in the middle of the ocean? You harness the elements. Vast arrays of solar panels would cover rooftops and open spaces, capturing the sun's energy. Underwater turbines would capture the immense power of ocean currents, and wind turbines would spin high above, catching the sea breeze. Wave energy converters, which transform the motion of the waves into electricity, would be integrated directly into the city's structure. But the truly revolutionary part is the food production. We're looking at advanced aquaponics and vertical farming. Imagine skyscrapers that are actually farms, growing fresh produce year-round in a controlled, soil-free environment. Below the city, sustainable aquaculture farms would raise fish and seaweed, creating a circular food system where waste from one process becomes nutrients for another. It's a closed-loop system, a perfect circle of life, designed to be completely independent from the mainland. Now, let's add another layer of future tech. Artificial intelligence. An AI would be the central nervous system of the entire city. It would manage everything from the energy grid to water distribution, waste management, and even transportation. This AI would constantly monitor the city's structural integrity, predict weather patterns, and optimize resource allocation for maximum efficiency. It would be like having the ultimate city manager working 24/7 to ensure everything runs smoothly and safely. Picture a network of autonomous electric boats and drones silently zipping between platforms, delivering goods and transporting people. Traffic jams would be a thing of the past. The AI would manage all logistics, ensuring a seamless, efficient flow of movement throughout the city. This isn't just about convenience. It's about creating a living environment that is responsive, intelligent, and incredibly resilient. So, who's actually building these things? This isn't just a concept on a designer's screen. Projects are already underway. The UN Habitat, in partnership with the company Oceanics, has unveiled a prototype for a floating city off the coast of Busan, South Korea. It's designed to house 10,000 residents on a series of interconnected platforms, demonstrating the viability of this technology. It's a real-world test case, a living laboratory for the future of urban development. And it's not just about survival. These cities are being designed to be beautiful, vibrant places to live. They will be filled with green spaces, public squares, and cultural centers. The design emphasizes walkability and community, creating a stark contrast to the car-centric, sprawling cities of today. By moving onto the water, we have a chance to completely rethink what a city can be, a chance to build communities that are more connected to nature and to each other. Of course, there are huge challenges. The cost is astronomical, and the engineering required is on a scale we've never attempted before. We have to consider the long-term impact on marine ecosystems. These are questions that engineers and marine biologists are working on right now. The goal is to create cities that not only protect humans, but also help restore ocean health, perhaps by creating new artificial reefs that encourage biodiversity. Then there's the social aspect. How do you govern a floating city? What laws apply? Who gets to live there? These are complex political and ethical questions that need to be answered. But the urgency of our climate crisis is forcing us to find solutions, and to find them fast. What we're witnessing is a paradigm shift. For all of human history, we've been land-based creatures. But the land is changing, and we must change with it. Floating cities represent more than just an engineering marvel. They represent a fundamental shift in our relationship with the planet. They are a symbol of human ingenuity, resilience, and our undying hope for a better future. They are a testament to the idea that when faced with an existential threat, we don't just give up. We innovate. We dream. We build. The future isn't about escaping our planet. It's about learning to live on it in a new, sustainable way. The next great human frontier might not be in the stars, but right here on the shimmering surface of our own oceans. Thanks for watching. If you're as fascinated by this vision of the future as I am, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you aren't miss our next deep dive into the technologies shaping our world. See you next time.